Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to use a grenade launcher operator skills. So what you need to do is click your loadout. This is my operator skill. Click the first one. As you can see, this is the war machine. This is a fully automatic grenade launcher with a devastating payload, like a faster load. And also there's also crosshair in here, so it will more accurate. So let's try the war machine in gameplay. As you can see, the war machine is ready. Let's try it out. Kill. It's launched a grenade launcher in here. As you can see, this is grenade launcher that kills enemy. Okay, thank you for today. Don't forget to comment, likes and subscribe, and also click thanks button below. Enjoy the game.